Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find hidden vector icon in CorelDRAW. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about CorelDRAW tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Then you have to navigate to Window. Then from Window, you have to look for Dockers. Then from Docker, you have to look for glitch or press Ctrl plus F11. Then it takes you to this particular, then it's going to bring up this particular window right here. So you can see some of the previous icon I have used right here. If I double click on this particular telephone icon, it's come to the workspace. I can simply change the color. It's as simple as that. I can increase the size of the icon. I can pick on another one right here. I will double click. Then it also comes to my workspace. I can increase the size. Then I can change this color also to something like red. All right, so how do we get all these hidden vectors icon? What you want to do here is to come to your font right here. Then you have to make use of Wingling 3 regular. So I'm going to check on that. So you have different arrow right here that you can simply use as a free icon vector. Okay, so if I need any one of these, what I need to do is to simply double click. Then it's load up into my workspace right here. I can increase the size. So it's as simple as that. So if I need this one here, double click. I can simply increase the size. Then I can change all the color. So I can change this to this type of blue. Then I can pick on another one right here. It's come to my workspace. I can increase the size. So I can link it right here and change the color. As simple as that. So we can also use another font. I'll come back to my font type right here. So we can use Wingding 2 regular and normal. Then that will give us another variety of icons that we can use. Take a look at it right here. We have wall clock. We have different star right here. You can simply scroll up and see more and more as the case may be. Or you can scroll down and pick on any one of your choice. So let's, for instance, I need this wall clock. I will just double click on it. It's load up to my workspace. By the time I increase the size, then we have a vector wall clock in CorelDRAW all for free. So I can drag it to another place. It's as simple as that. We can pick as many as possible. Take a look at more right here. I will double click and we have more here. So by the time I expand it, it's going to increase I can increase the size. Then I can simply change the color to black. From the top right here, I'll change the color to black. Then I can take it right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find hidden free vector icon in CorelDRAW. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CorelDRAW tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.